If you notice that something strange in your body system, this is what you will do. Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching this program. My name is Dr. Afiz Abolade, also known as Omaramide. Welcome to my channel. What I would like to share with you people today, if you notice that something strange in your body system and you have used so many drugs to it, yet it doesn't work, this is what we do. Yoruba call one seed eso bomubomu. Go and look for sodom apple. Yoruba call it eso bomubomu. Go and look for enough of sodom apple. And obuotoyo, you can get it where they sell herbal items. Obuotoyo is like salt, but it's not salt. Go and look for it. And one complete alligator pepper. One complete alligator pepper. If you are watching this program, please don't forget to share this program. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to comment. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, Dr. Afiz Abolade TV. Dr. Afiz Abolade TV. You can follow me on TikTok. You can follow me on Instagram, Dr. Afiz Abolade. Help me share this program. Comment, like, show love. Let's help ourselves. Let's help ourselves. Share this program with your friend. Share it with your family. Please, let's help ourselves. Look for one complete alligator pepper. One complete alligator pepper. And native pots. Pack all these items inside native pot. Then burn it. Let it turn to charcoal. Don't let it turn to ashes. Let it turn to charcoal. Grind it very well. Grind it very well. You can filter it. And you can filter it. Look for one container. Look for one container. Then look for lime juice. Lime juice. Take take this powder. Take small out of this powder. Put it inside lime juice. Shake it very well before you drink it. Shake it very well before you drink it. Drink it every day. Drink it every day. That is it. It's small, but it's mighty. If you are interested in our products such as manpower app, staphylococcus, syphilis, weak erection, hard erection, diabetics, irregular menstrual period, etc., you can call my number 080 39 33 6675. 080 39 33 6675 or 080 87 53 35 84. 080 87 53 35 84. That is my number. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.